video, I'm going to show you how to broadcast a message. So we are in a new project and I'm going to name this project as broadcasting. Broadcasting. So I'm going to Sprites library to select a new sprite. Okay, so now I'm going to select button 1. So the big round button is cute. Now I want another sprite. So this time I'm going to select monkey, a cute monkey. And again, I'm going to the sprites library to select another sprite. And this time I'm going to select very tasty strawberry. And I'm going to choose a backdrop now. Okay, so the cute little monkey, the green button, and the strawberry are in the space. So when we click the button, the monkey should go to the strawberry and it should say, so today I'm eating a strawberry in the space. Like that he should say. So to do that, first you have to go to the events blocks. And here, can you see when this sprite is clicked block, you have to drag it. So next, in the events blocks only, did you observe broadcast message 1 block? You have to drag it and drop it under when this sprite is clicked block. And I'm going to name this message as like press. And we have to click on OK. So these blocks say start when the button is clicked. It will broadcast a message which is called as press. Now let us test. See, I'm clicking on the button and see nothing is happening. Why? Because it just broadcasts the message press. That's it. No, we did not write the code to do something. So now I'm going to select the monkey and I'm going to write the code as when I receive press. Can you see when I receive press block? You have to drag it. Next, you have to drag the monkey to the strawberry. And here, can you see the X and Y positions are changed? So in that positions only, you have to glide 1 second to X 159 and Y minus 48. Block and drop it under when I receive press block. So now we should drag the monkey to his actual place. So these blocks say start when the monkey receives the press message. he will glide for 1 second to the strawberry. So now let us test. I'm going to press the green button. And see, the monkey has gone to the place near the strawberry. So it glided there. And after gliding, he has to say something. So we have to drag say hello for 2 seconds block and drop it under glide 1 seconds to X 159 and Y minus 48 block. And here instead of hello, I'm going to write ha ha ha. So at least I am eating a strawberry in the space like that. So now let us test. I'm pressing on the green button. See, the monkey has glided to the position and he said, ha ha ha, at least I am eating a strawberry in the space for 2 seconds. So friends, in the further videos, I'm going to come up with more exciting ideas to learn Scratch with me. Until then, bye-bye.